Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2008 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is digital circuits. Look at the circuit. For the circuit shown in the figure, I0 to I3 are inputs to the 4 to 1 multiplexer with R and S are going to be control bits, and in that one R is going to be treated as MSB. The output Z can be represented by, what is the Boolean function represented by Z? Multiplexer is going to be called as universal device which can implement any combinational logic expression. Okay, any combinational circuit can be represented with the help of SOP, sum of products form, and any SOP can be implemented directly by using multiplexer. So that multiplexer is going to be called as universal logic device, okay, which implements any combinational logic function. And what was the combination logic function? That is, what is the SOP expression implemented by this circuit? It is a 4 to 1 multiplexer, that is nothing but it has 4 inputs, 2 control signals, 1 output. Multiplexer is also called as many to one converter, that is out of many inputs, okay, one input will be selected and it will be connected to the output. Since multiplexer has only one output, it can only communicate with one input. So what is that input? That input will be selected with the help of the combination given at select lines. If you give the select lines RS 0 0, by that time I0 is going to be selected. If you give RS is equal to 0 1, I1 will be selected. That is nothing but this line is selected, this line will be connected to the Z. So by that time Z will be equal to P. Whatever the input present at I1, that will be at the output side now. Okay. If RS is equal to 1 0, I2 will be selected. If RS is equal to 1 1, I3 will be selected. So based on that one, we can write a product sum of products expression. So first we will get the products in that way. So how to write? To select I3, what was the combination present at RS? It must be 1 1. R is equal to 1, S is equal to 1. In SOP expression they are true values. So we can write it as R, S, and I2. I2 is nothing but 1 0 combination. So it is RS bar. 1 is nothing but 0 1. So it is R bar S. And this is R bar S bar. Okay, for RS values I0, I2, I3 will be selected in this manner, and whenever if it is R3 is going to RS is 1 1, by the time I3 is selected, so that P will be the output. Okay, P will be the output, that will be said like this: Z is equal to P multiplied by I3. You can write P multiplied by I3. I3 will be selected whenever RS is equal to 1 1 1. So that directly we will write the expression in this way: P multiplied by R into S. P multiplied by R into S plus, this is input over here is nothing but it is AND gate. So that the output of this one is nothing but PQ. Now PQ is the input. So PQ, and it will be the output whenever R is equal to 1, S is equal to 0. Next, this is P is the input. This will be coming to the output whenever R is equal to 0, S is equal to 1. So P into R bar S, that is nothing but whenever R is equal to 0, this will become 1, S is equal to 1, this will become 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into P is P. So otherwise, if I0 is selected, by that time this is R gate. So R gate is nothing but here you will get P plus Q bar. So P plus Q bar into R bar S bar. So this is what the circuit expression, but it is not given in the answers. So this must be minimized to get the correct answer. So that first expand this one so that we can get it in the K-map, because in K-map directly we don't get P plus Q bar into R bar S bar. So first of all expand this one, later substitute it in the 4 variable K-map, then simplify, then you will get the answer. Z is equal to PRS plus PQRS bar. Next, PR bar S plus PR bar S bar plus Q bar R bar S bar. So this is what the expanded expression, and this we are going with the help of 4 variable K-map. In this is what 4 variable K-map we are I am showing it here. This is 4 variable K-map. Since Z is going to be a function of P, Q, R, S, those are 4 input variables, so that we must go for a 4 variable K-map to simplify the expression. So this is what the 4 variable K-map expression, 4 variable K-map diagram. Okay, and we will assume that one this side is PQ and it is RS. Okay, these values can be either 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0, and again here it is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. So now we will represent the corresponding ones. Okay, the corresponding ones can be included. So first of all we can go with the first term is nothing but PRS. PRS is nothing but PR. Yes, RS is equal to 1 1 is nothing but this row. PRS is nothing but P is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, S is equal to 1. So these two ones will represent PRS. Okay. So I'll go different colors for the different minterms. Now red color. Red color is going to be used for the PQRS bar. PQ, that is nothing but PQ is 1 1, RS bar is nothing but R is equal to 1, S bar is equal to 0. So this one is nothing but this is PQS bar. So this is red color, PQS bar, and PRS is nothing but this one, PRS. Next PR bar S, we are going with green. PR bar S, P R bar S is nothing but this one. This is, these two things are going to be P R bar S. P is equal to 1, R bar S. Okay, and this is green. Next P R bar S bar. P R bar S bar is nothing but, we can go in this way. This is P R bar S bar, orange. P R bar S bar. Next Q bar R bar S bar. Q bar R bar S bar. Okay, Q bar R bar S bar. This is Q bar. Okay, Q bar is nothing but Q must be 0, so these are the two ones. Again I am going with the same one, Q bar R bar S bar. So these two lines with black color is going to be indicating Q bar R bar S bar. Now this is what entire expression is going to be given in terms of K-map. Now we have to match this one. Okay, so for this matching purpose, so now we will match these things according to the given expression. Here it is PQ is there, so you can get PQ by combining these four ones. If you combine these four ones, what you are going to be get is nothing but PQ, and this one can be combined only in this way. This one can be combined only this way, and this can be written as Q bar R bar S bar. Okay, and the other two terms, this is PQ Q bar R bar S bar, where it is present, this is the A expression, answer A. Right answer is nothing but A. In this one PQ is present, Q bar R bar S bar is present. In no other expression both are present. And PQ bar S, PQ bar S is nothing but you will get this one. If you take these two things, what you will get is nothing but P Q bar S. This is what the expression you will get, P Q bar S. Actually you can combine these four cells to get the minimized expression, but according to the solution we are going to combine only two cells. Okay, so now Z is equal to, we can write it as PQ plus PQ bar S plus Q bar R bar S bar. So this is the right answer for this one. Right answer is nothing but answer is A. Thank you.